Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you how to create the organization breakdown structure which is related to OBS by using Primavera P6 software. So this is the example of the organization breaking structure I was considered for the project. Okay. So in this video, I will cover you how to make the organization breaking structure by using Primavera P6 software. First one is comes under the managing director. He is the main person in the company. So under the managing director, it will be consisting of the some managers like project manager, purchasing manager, and engineering manager. Okay, so here engineering manager, HR department, financial director, and marketing director. Okay, so these are the subcategories which is comes under this project manager. It will be consisting of sectional chief, documenter, site engineer, civil supervisor, safety and surveyor. Okay, so under the purchasing management, it will be consisting of the two categories like materials and necessities. Okay, so under the engineering manager, it will be consisting of site engineering, structural engineering, and cost estimator, planning engineering, and quality analysis and quality control. So under the HR department, it will be consisting of three subcategories like personal and insurance and office management under this HR department. And the next one is financial department. Under the financial department, it will be having two subcategories like accountant and cashier. And the last one is marketing director. Under the marketing director, it will be having the three subcategories like marketing and sales advertisement. Okay, so now we will cover how to do this organization breaking down structure by using Primavera P6 software. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. So here I am selecting my Primavera P6 software. So this is my project. Already I was done this particular project. So initially we will delete that project. Then after that we can able to do the organization breaking down structure for the new project. So for that, just I am selecting this place mark ground. Click on the delete option so that it will delete all the project content which is available in the project A. Okay, so now we have to create the organization breaking down structure for the particular project or particular enterprise project structure. So for that, go to enterprise option. Under this, it will be consisting of OBS here, organization breaking down structure here like this. Otherwise, the complete direct option will be available on the left hand side here like this. You can click on this option or else directly go to enterprise, directly click on the OBS option. So it will be consisting of the default project manager. It was added for my previous project. Okay, so click on the delete option so that it will delete the project manager here like this. Otherwise, you can directly delete the options by selecting one by one option. Okay, here like this. Okay, so it will not delete to project manager. Why? Because at least we have one particular object here for the particular project A. Okay, so now we will create this OBS for this particular project. So this is managing director, MD. Just I am keeping it as managing director, short form as MD. Just I am adding here. So under the managing director, we had to add the 5 managers. One is related to project manager, purchasing manager, engineering manager, and HR department, financial director, and marketing director. One by one, we will add this. So select the project manager. Just I am copying here and just I am pasting here for saving our time. So here I am selecting this. Click on this option. We will add 6 numbers here for this particular project. So second one is related to purchasing manager. Okay, so here I am selecting second one which is related to purchasing manager. Just I am giving the name as purchasing manager. And next one is related to this third one, engineering manager. Okay, so engineering manager, just I am selecting this third one, pasting here. And next one is related to this HR department. Just I am selecting here HR department. Next one, just I am assuming here financial director. Financial director. And the last one, just I am adding here is marketing director. Marketing director. Marketing director. Okay, so under the project manager, it will be consisting of the one, two, three, four, five, six subcategories. We had to add this six subcategories. For that, click on add option here. Okay, but we have to move this new OBS to right hand side. Why? Because it will be comes under the project manager only, not under this main line of the managing director. So that's why we had to select this right hand side option. Okay, now you can see it will move here. Again, in the same process, we had to add the another 5 categories here like this. So firstly, we will select the sectional chief. Just I'm selecting, copying here. Just I'm pasting here like this. Again, in the same process, I am selecting documenter. This time pasting here. In the same process, third I am considering here as site engineer. And next time considering here as a civil supervisor. Again, I'm considering safety. Next one, safety. Next, I'm considering finally surveyor. In the same process, we will add the purchasing manager. Under him, we have to add in subline category. That's why we have to move here and right hand side section. So we have to add the material necessities under this category. Material, and we have to add necessities. Okay, now select the engineering manager. So under the engineering manager, it will be consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 categories. We had to add those categories initially. Just I am moving to the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So now we will select the site engineering first one. Just I am copying here. Just I am selecting here. Just I am giving as site engineering. Again, I am selecting the second category, which is related to structural engineering. Just I am copying here. Again, I am pasting here, structural engineering. Again, I am selecting cost estimator, copy. Just I am pasting here as cost estimator. Again, I am selecting planning engineering. Just I am copying. Just I am pasting here. In the same process, I am selecting this category. Again, quality analysis and quality control. Just I am pasting here. Quality analysis and quality control here. Again, in the same process, we will select the HR department. Under the HR department, it will be consisting of 3 subcategories. We have to add those 3 subcategories like personal, next one insurance, and the next one is office management. Again, we will select the financial director. Under the financial director, it will be consisting of 2 categories, accountant and cashier. So we will add financial director. We will add as accountant and cashier. So the last one is related to marketing director. So under the marketing director, it will be consisting of marketing, sales, advertisement. Okay, so we will add those things. We will move to the right hand side section. Now we will add. So marketing, sales, and the last one is advertisement. And the last one is advertisement. We will add here advertisement here. Okay, so now we can see this is the organization breaking down structure. So we will see this organization breaking down structure in the chart format also, depends upon our requirement. You can assign this particular organization breaking down structure for the particular project also. So this is the managing director, project manager, purchasing manager, engineering manager, and HR department, financial director, managing director. So it will be consisting of subcategories here like this. So you can go to display option. If you want to arrange these particular options in chart format, you have to click on this option. So click on the chart view option here. So now we can see this is the organization breaking down structure which is comes under this particular project. It will be consisting of subcategories here like this for the particular managing director, project manager, project purchasing manager, engineering manager, HR department, financial, marketing, and these are the subcategories which is comes under this particular project. Okay. So this is the process of giving the organization breaking down structure for the particular project. You can arrange this particular chart in the vertical also. So this is the horizontal. So for that we have to select the managing director, go to click on this, arrange children in vertical format. Now we can see this is the project managing director, project manager. So it will be consisting of the chart in horizontal vertical format. You can arrange the children as horizontal also. Okay, again you can align this children's in vertical also, but now we can see here we have to zoom to fit option here for best fit option for the particular project. So we have to arrange the children in vertical and we have to align the children in horizontal section. Okay. So this is the process of giving the organization breaking down structure by using Primavera P6 software. You can apply this particular project manager, managing director for the particular project. If you consider project A, if that responsible manager for the particular project A is a project manager, you can change here for the project. Okay. So if you have any queries about the organization breaking down structure, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box so that I will give you the answer for that particular questions for the creating the project manager. Thank you.